Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome back to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I've got this really festive New Year's bombshell makeup look. So we got some hair, we got some makeup. So to help you with some festive inspiration, let's get to it. Starting with my curls, I'm gonna go ahead and release the beast. Now I did sleep with my hair in this bun, so my curls are pretty crazy, and yeah, so I can't do an easy refresh. I have to do a mega refresh. So using water only, I went ahead and got my hair really nice and soaking, sopping wet, and also finger detangled. Off camera, I cleansed my face with my favorite cleanser right now from Serious Skincare. It is acne medicated. Then did a quick spritz of some of the Mario Badescu facial spray, and then a little extra moisture with my Skin to See face cream. Once I part my hair halfway up, it is time to add the product. First product for today from Garnier Fructis. It is a smoothing treat. I'm going to use it as a leave-in and then add some Bounce Curl Light Cream Gel. So grabbing the nice little mask, I'm going to put that in first and again use it as a leave-in. So there's 3 different ways you can use it, and I'm going to leave it in today. And I'm then going to apply the gel right after. I did a raking motion and then also prayer hands to smooth it through. And right here I'm finger coiling my curls. I'm going to do this all over my head, but I'm kind of doing really big clumps today. Once those curls are out of the way for now, moving on to the eyes. I'm going to be using my Melt Cosmetics 27 palette first, and this color is One More Thing. Then I'm picking up Thick and working all these shades into the crease very sloppily. And then lastly, Moonchild, and then kind of flicking out the outer third right there to make it into a nice point. Now this next color is Space Queen, and it's from the Smoke Sessions palette, also from Melt Cosmetics. Using this just to deepen that crease. Then using a jumbo pencil from NYX, this is Horseradish, using that as a good base. Now back into Smoke Sessions, this is the color Mean Green and Sweet Tooth mixed together. For the inner corner, I'm using this beautiful white shimmer shade from the Lorac 2 palette, and it's called Snow. For the outer third, I used the color Creep from the Urban Decay Naked palette, and I just patted that in the outer third and then just kind of flicked it out to a nice point. It's a beautiful black shimmer, and then with a clean blending brush, go ahead and blend out those edges. Now I needed some glitter, so for this inner corner, I used a nice glitter liner and added lots and lots of glitter. Foundation time! Adding my foundation all over my face and on my neck. I'm going to blend it out with my highlight and contour sponge from Morphe. Once that is complete, concealing for all the problem areas, my under eye, blending it out with my finger, and going to set it at the end with some Airspun loose face powder. Off camera, I added a little more powder to my T-zone, did some contouring, thank you Mike and Kenzie, and can't forget the rouge. And for the brows, it's time to get these puppies in place. Well, it's time to make it look like I have some brows, so I gotta make them appear. I like to use what I call the triple threat. I like to add my brow wiz first, and then I use the brow powder duo, and then finish the other eye, and then smack some brow gel on. All Anastasia Beverly Hills products. Back into the 27 palette, I'm going to use One More Thing and sloppily put that under my eye, and then add Thick right over that. Then with a more detailed brush, I'm going to go back into Smoke Sessions and add Space Queen, and don't forget to connect it to the outer third. Then we're quickly going to put that nice Horseradish jumbo pencil on and do the same thing to the bottom line that we did to the top lid. To make the eyes pop a little more, I added a nice nude liner to the waterline, and don't you dare forget that glitter. Liner, I went nice and bold with it, so I went really far out for a nice long wing, but then I kept the liner across the lash line very nice and thin. Once you put on your lashes of choice, don't forget to put a coat of eyeliner across the lash band and mascara for the top and bottom lashes. Now, setting spray. So I'm going to give a couple mist and fan it out, fan it out. highlight right here. This is like my favorite white highlight. I hit the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cheekbones, and don't you dare forget sexy, sexy time. Oh yeah. And to the hair we go. Don't worry, we'll get to the lips. Just, we're gonna eventually get there eventually. Off camera, I diffused with my Revlon blow dryer and the Curly Co diffuser. After diffusing, I like to do a scalp massage, so I picked up my That's That Magic hair and body oil. It is like the best smelling hair and body oil ever, and it's hydrating and moisturizing. So once the scalp massage is done, I'm going to continue with the That's That Magic on my fingertips and separate my curl clumps. So once I have separated all the curl clumps that I can, I move on to styling. I'm very sloppily going to kind of part the top part here, and then with a rat tail comb I'm going to get a little more precise. I'm going to stop right at the tip of my ear here, just double check and make sure that's the amount of hair I want, and it is. So moving on to the twist. Here we go. Starting with the little section of hair that we have free, I'm going to start twisting from the bottom to the top. So the bottom part is going up, and then the top part is tucking under into that bottom part. So just twist and twist and twist. Then with a clear hair elastic, go ahead and keep it nice and tight and set it in place. Whew. Once that is complete, we're going to release those curls and then scrunch out the crunch. Using That's That Magic again, I'm going to go ahead and coat that in my hands and get rid of that gel cast and make those curls nice and soft. But we're not done yet. Hair pick and hairspray. Also from Bounce Curl, I'm using their hairspray that's alcohol free, so curl friendly. Going to spritz my hair pick, and time to get some volume. I felt like my hair was not quite ready to ring in the new year, so I added a little embellishment. So it's a nice bobby pin with a rhinestone on it. Added that to the end of each of the twist, and voila, hair is set. Moving on to lips. This is a gorgeous liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's called Phantom. It's a metallic liquid lipstick. Not enough sparkles, so I added some more right to the inner portions of my top and bottom lips. So Kissable 2019 lips. Wait, we're almost ready. Whoop. And now we're ready. 2019, here we come. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers. I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for a new video. And if you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe, happy and healthy 2019. Happy New Year, everyone, and take care.